Hi students, after you have started the program called this Audacity, Audacity, and in fact this program is a free software which can be used to record our own audio. And remember, we have to plug in our microphone jack into the computer. And to do a recording with Audacity is a rather simple task. We can adjust the recording level by moving this slider, and this is our record button. And just like an ordinary recorder, this is the play, pause, and stop button, etc. And we can also select whether we can do a mono or stereo recording. And this is the source of the input, audio input. And to start with, let's just click the record button. And then everything we said will be automatically recorded in the computer as an audio file. And in fact, you can actually see that in a computer, sounds can have some kinds of shapes. They are shapes associated with our own sounds. To pause or to stop, just click the stop button. And now we can just simply replay this audio part by clicking the play button, the record button, and then everything we said will be automatically recorded in the computer. To stop, we click stop button, and can zoom in or zoom out our recording, our sound file, by clicking this zoom in or zoom out button. Zoom in, zoom in. And when the zoom factor is a very large number, we can actually see there are some kinds of wave pattern. In fact, sounds can be in the shape of a wave, such like the sea waves in the beach. You can actually see that when you zoom in, you can see this is our own sound, the pattern of our own sound. Clicking zoom out, you can see that now our recording, I've just recorded some 24 seconds of audio, 24 seconds, as indicated in this scale. And one more thing, you can see that there are actually two tracks associated with this audio recording. So that's why we have just done a stereo. Stereo means we have two audio tracks in the single audio file. And we can do some further editing on this file since it is already in a digital or computer format. For example, we can select just this part of the audio and then click the play button. And in fact, this is what I've just said, the in fact phrase, in fact. And in fact, we can actually delete this part by clicking the keyboard delete key. Or you can just select edit and then click, there's no cut button. We can simply just select this part and then press the delete key. And the two words in fact will be removed. We can play this part again. As an audio file, you can actually see that. As you can see, the two words in fact have in fact has just been deleted. And so you can just play with this audio file and do all sorts of editing. In the computer, sounds. And one very interesting effect can be found in this effect menu, the menu bar effect. For example, I've just selected this part of the audio and it says in the computer, sounds. And I can reverse the direction in which this file is played. We can select effect and then select reverse. It actually means reverse my audio recording. And now we can play it again. And I can play it again. And in fact, you can hardly hear what I said because the sound has just been reversed. And then we can reverse it again. And now, in the computer, sounds. it becomes normal again. And some other effect can be very useful. For example, the fade in and fade out effect. For example, we can select the beginning part of the audio and then select fade in. And now the audio will start from completely silent to the normal recording level. And this is what we call fade in. And we have a fade out effect too. For example, we can apply, try this part, the last part, the ending part of the audio, and then select effect fade out. Then the audio will start from the normal recording level to complete silence at the end. So we can try this out. And you can see the audio just fade out in the end. And actually, you can just try out all those effects which can be found in this effect menu. For example, you can try out this delay effect, and then you can play your audio again. It seems the sounds just come out from a cave or a valley. You can hear some echoes behind the audio. Oh, stop. And then you can just spend some time to explore or experiment yourself with these effects. And to save your file, you have to select File and then Export. And you have quite a number of choice for your audio file format. And I think the most common format will be MP3 files. You can just select MP3 and then select a folder where it is placed. And let's say if you have my audio, and this will be a MP3 file. Just click Save. And then click OK again. And these information are just only MP3 text, and which is not quite useful to us at this moment. Just click OK. And after a while, the file will be exported. And then you can now check out your audio file. And this will be a MP3 file. And you can just double click in Windows and it will be automatically played. Stop. And actually, there is one more option to save your file, and this will be Save Project As. A project file is different, and it will be useful if you have several audio files in your project and you have to do some kind of mixing. But a project file cannot be uploaded to the a Moodle or the web to play an audio, because it will be very useful for you to edit your audio files, but it cannot be played directly. And now here's some assignment for you to record. And do you know what do we mean by a tongue twister? TONGUE-TWISTERS. Tongue twister in Chinese is 急口令. And if you Google tongue twister and then click the search button, you can find lots of English tongue twisters on the web. And you can just simply select a website like this one. And you have to pick out just one tongue twister which you like, and then you record this tongue twister by your own voice using Audacity.